Bound for airport ito. Pudong Airport Terminal 1 and 2. Sumakses guys, so less than 1 hour. Ayun, please exit. Ito na, palisa tayo.
Your safety and comfort is always our priority.
Hello guys, ni hao, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler, and for tonight's video, uwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Shanghai, China, the second leg and final leg of our China trip kasi nauna tayo sa Beijing. So ngayon, uwi na tayo. Cebu Pacific yung flight natin. Alright? Pero kunin ko muna yung bags ko dito sa hotel. Tara. Ito yung hotel natin, as in nasa may East Nanjing Road lang siya. Super ganda ng location. 100/10, ganon. Tara, lamig. 6th floor. Kung magbubook kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA, capital letters yan, and make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app. Punta lang kayo sa deals page sa baba para maka 10% off kayo. Alam nyo bang pwede rin kayo magbook ng activities and tours sa Agoda? Use my promo code KURIPOTAGODA for 5% off. I-click nyo na lang din yung link sa comment section to redeem. Yung Klook code naman natin na Dave Gino Klook, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung wala na kayong ma-redeem, you can explore Agoda. Samahan niyo ako, umuwi sa Pilipinas. Diba, after ilang araw ba yun? Basta, since January 3, ngayon ay January 11 na. 1 AM yung flight natin mamaya, January 12. Ilang oras na lang. Tapos alas 10 na. Alas 10 na ba? I think ko alas 10 na. Okay, ito lang bag natin. Nabili ko yan sa Shopee guys. I-comment ko yung link sa baba. Ay, we're going home. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye-bye. I hope to see you next time again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Eto. Tara. Napakabait. Nakarin na natin sa station. Alright? Train station. Kasi magti-train lang tayo guys. Experience natin yung train papuntang airport. As in, direct line na siya. From East Nanjing Road Station to Pudong International Airport. Hotel natin guys, comment yung link sa baba. High Cozy Hostel. So, 1,000 pesos. And super lapit lang sa train station. Mga 5-minute walk, 5 to 7-minute walk. Yan na tayo. Lakaran talaga. Pero malapit lang, sa may dulo lang. May East Nanjing Road tayo nagstay. So yung Nanjing Road, I believe that's the most touristy area in Shanghai. Para siyang Myeongdong ng Korea, Ximending ng Taiwan. Ganon. Napabila ko ng White Rabbit dito guys, okay? Ginamit ko lang yung card ko. Quick pasalubong run before sumakay. Thank you. Itong White Rabbit yung pwede nating mabiling pampasalubong dito. Kasi quick pasalubong na lang talaga. Tara na, station na tayo. Let's go. Nasarap lang. Ayan. Dito na yung maleta natin. So may mga security checks guys. X-ray sa lahat ng subway station dito. At ngayon, Alipay lang gagamitin natin. Okay? Alipay for transpo. Isa-scan natin. Alipay, where are you? Ito tayo dito. Tapos ito, transport. Transport guys, this one. Tapos may QR code na lalabas dyan. Tara. Ayun. Success. Wait lang. Tapos bababa na tayo. Amazing race si Akla. Tara. Line 2 lang naman. Line 2 ng East Nanjing Station, East Nanjing Road. So dito tayo guys. Alright, sa line 2. Bound for airport ito. Okay? Like ayan o. Ito Pudong. Kung i-zoom natin yan. Pudong Airport Terminal 1 and 2. So, dito tayo sa right platform. Nasa 10:35. Sinerch ko online yung last train papuntang airport. So, ito, hanggang alas 10 lang. So, make sure na nandito na kayo. Kung tulad ko kayo na medyo minamaximize yung tip talaga. Make sure nandito na kayo ng mga 10. Nag-online check-in na rin naman ako, so baggage drop na lang. Boarding time natin ay nasa 12:50. Okay, so ngayon ay mga 10:20. 10:20 na ngayon. 12:50 boarding time. Tapos flight natin, nakalimutan ko anong oras, was the 1. Huwag niyo akong tularan kasi lagi akong ganito. Like, last minute lagi. Or minamaximize ko pa. Pero never pa naman tayo naiwan ng international flight. 1 hour guys ang biyahe. Okay, so tingnan natin. Anong oras tayo natin? I think mga 11:30. Ganun. So success guys, so less than 1 hour. So I think around 55 minutes lang yung biniyahin natin. 11, tama ba? 11, yan, mga 11:20. So around 11, almost 1 hour yung biyahe. I believe ito na yung end ng train station pala. Last station. Yun, nag-elevator na lang tayo para less hassle. So around 57 minutes guys yung biniyahe natin. Terminal 2 tayo. Sundan na lang natin yung signs. I-scan ulit natin yung QR code natin sa Alipay para makalabas tayo ng station. So saktong-sakto lang yung dating natin guys. More than 1 hour pa before our boarding. Ayun, please exit. Grabe, na-survive talaga natin. Kinakabahan ako siya kanina. Pero umabot naman. So, Terminal 2 tayo. May signs naman dito papuntang Terminal 2. And then, ito yung mga airlines in Terminal 2. 5J Cebu Pacific, dito tayo. Tara. Uy, may toilet bungad. Toilet muna tayo. Ang aesthetic naman ng kanilang walkalator. Happy ako na survive natin yung train. Next natin goal ay mahanap yung natin check-in counter, baggage drop counter, meeting point. May security check pagpasok. Right? Ano ginagawa dito? Bakit may pila? Ini-scan lang yung bag dito. Parang may pamalo sila. Pamalo. Kasi mahabang parang stick. Yung ginagamit lang pag-scan. Departure level 3. Makikita natin dito yung check-in area is G. Ayun. Sakto pagkat natin yan na yung G. For Cebu Pacific. Ito na yung G guys. Dito na tayo. Kita ko na yung Cebu Pacific. Baggage check-in. Hindi mahaba yung pila. Super ikli. 1 hour before the flight, nag-close yung check-in counter. So yung baggage drop, okay? Make sure na mag-online check-in na lang kayo, okay? Para baggage drop na lang pagpunta sa airport. May time pa tayo, guys. I'm just gonna tell them that it's okay to request a seat, right? Yeah, if there's available.
Are you have baggage?
Yeah, I have baggage. Like this?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay guys, so hindi ako nag-book ng seat, pero kung may available pa, pwede naman. So nag-window seat ako guys kasi alauna yung flight. And 1 AM, so gusto ko matulog ng... Yes. So gusto ko makatulog ng mahimbing, kaya nag-request ako ng window seat and sana sa likod. Tara guys, pasok na tayo sa departure gate. Bawal na camera sa loob. Okay, so Off na natin ito. Heavy pa naman security ng China. Lumagpas na tayo sa security check and then sa immigration. So, yung pila pabot ng immigration, guys, immigration officer, tinatakat tayo. Mga 20 minutes, tapos around 15 minutes naman papuntang security check. So, very strict pala, guys, sa security check. So, ilabas yung payong, yung power bank pinapalabas, yung jacket as usual hubad, yung laptop ilabas, yung payong pinalabas. And first time may palabas yung payong sa akin. And then, yun. Kap-kap talaga kung kap-kap. Okay, naramdaman ko dito how strict the security is. Pero okay, nakasurvive naman tayo. Ay, dito naas. Buti dito naas. Ito na yung gate natin. Solid. So, order na lang tayo ng pagkain kasi gutom ako. Sobrang lapit na ng boarding. 12:37 na. Tapos 12:40 pala yung boarding natin. So, 3 minutes na lang. Hanap muna ako ng kahit konting makakain lang talaga. Kasi medyo gutom na ako. Boarding na, guys. Medyo mahal-mahal na pala yung mga pagkain dito sa airport, guys. Okay? Yung sandwich natin around 400 or 500. Pero dito nag-accept din sila ng card. So, pwede namang hindi Alipay yung gamitin. Ganda ng airport ng Shanghai Infer. Ayan, nakalagpas tayo sa boarding gate. In-scan lang yung ano natin, guys. Boarding pass. Ayan, nakapila tayo dito, guys. Gate closes 20 minutes before departure. Okay? 2 hours lang pala yung flight. Almost 3 hours. 2 hours and 50 minutes from Shanghai to Manila. Ito na, palisa tayo.
Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to
Oh my gosh, medyo mainit. At least nasa window seat na yung request ko para makasandal tayo. Wala na rin nagaya ng pag sa taas eh. So, nasa baba na po.
Terminal 3 for your proper
Manila na,
and safe
guys.
destination.
5:05
For your safety
yung
and
labag.
comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened
Mga
until the captain
1:35
turns
tayo
on the
umalis sa
fasten seatbelt sign. Please
Shanghai.
check your
So, more
surroundings to
than
ensure you don't leave your personal belongings behind. Also be
more than
cautious
3
when opening
hours
your
yung
overhead
flight.
bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On
So,
behalf of
1
your
hour
trusted
and
Pacific team,
30 minutes.
headed by Flight Deck Captain and Desmond First
Oh,
Officer
3
Kwon,
hours
together
and
with your
30
cabin
minutes.
crew. Thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly to more fun in the
Welcome back to Manila. Back to reality na talaga, guys. Pasok na tayo mamaya agad-agad. Kasi 1 week din tayong nawala. Start ng taon. But it's fine. Like, yung tip na yon, hindi ko ipapagpalit. Tsari. Lumagpas na tayo sa immigration. Pagdating naman sa Pilipinas, wala nang tanong-tanong. Never akong natanong kapag pauwi na sa immigration. So, tinatakan ako. Nandun tayo sa immigration officer. Kaya may tatak tayo. Kasi I believe ngayon wala nang sticker. Dito tayo sa may Shanghai na tawag dito, baggage claim. Meron tayong e-travel. Okay, so it's something that we can accomplish 72 hours. Within 72 hours before our flight. And you can do that you can accomplish at etravel.gov.ph. Naku, 2% na lang itong camera ko. So, ano pa alam na ako dito. Doon na pala yung bag ko. Kunin ko na. Lakas maka-celebrity pag dumadaan talaga dito. Ayun guys, wala na. Di na in-scan yung QR code ng e-travel. For sure may copy na sila within their system. So ako, to be honest, in-accomplish ko na siya nung paglapag. Ayun. I hope this vlog will be able to help you if you will travel in Shanghai, ina-navigate nyo from city center to the airport, diba? Madali lang naman from city center to the airport, nakita nyo naman. And yun, nakita nyo na yung navigation natin sa airport, diba? Kung same ko kayo na Cebu Pacific ang flight, ganun lang siya. Nakatulog naman tayo. I requested the window seat para, diba, makatulog tayo ng mahimbing. Breakfast muna tayo, guys. So, naglubad na tayo kanina. Nasa Mary Grace tayo. And this may, dito sponsor na. Nandito yung ating comfort drink. yung kanilang hot choco. Dito sa NAIA Terminal 3, sa second floor, may mga naman dito. Kainan. Bagong-bago to. Ginawa ko pala kanina, my gosh, diba? Clutch yon. Yung lumalis ako sa hotel ng mga 10. Like, super sakto lang yon. Mga 10:20 tayo nakasakay ng train. Super sakto lang talaga yon. Okay? Kung same kayo na mga 1:35 yung flight, ideally, 3 to 4 hours before your flight, nasa airport na kayo. Okay? Lalo na kung, diba, first time yung mag-travel, ganun, nakakapain nyo pa yung mga bagay-bagay sa airport. Ako, nangapapa rin naman ako. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Kung umabot kayo hanggang sa point na to ng China series, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Lagi ko sinasabi mula kahapon na maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Sa totoo lang, feeling ko nga may kasama ko tuwing nata-travel because I do this. Kung isa kayo sa mga nanonood talaga, diba, umabot kayo sa point na to ng vlog. At bakit kayo umabot hanggang sa point na to ng vlog? Or bakit kayo nandito? Comment down below. Yung China, lakasan talaga ng loob. Okay, once you're there, trust na you'll definitely get the hang of it. Everything will go smoother. Okay, from then on. Nandito na ako sa condo and grabe, surreal na nagawa natin siya. Yung China trip. Nakakatapang, nakakamulat, nakakabusog sa puso. Sobrang surreal na we made it there. And yung ginol ko lang talaga na makita is yung Great Wall of China. Yun yung cherry on top. Pero there's so much more than yung Great Wall of China. So yung China, it surprised me in the best possible way. You know, from the ancient city of Beijing, na ang dami nating na-discover na historical spots, kahit yung simpleng kanto, isang simpleng street, holds so much history. Diba? Yung mga 600 to 700 years old na mga streets, na mga nakikita natin doon. Yung Forbidden City na in-explore natin, nilakad talaga natin. And of course, yung futuristic na city ng Shanghai na grabe, mind-blowing yung city lights at night. Like one of the best city lights na nakita natin. So, I was so surprised with how beautiful China is. But to be honest, I have to be honest, like before flying out, before tayo na mag-decide na magpunta ng China, even if nakapag-book na tayo ng flight, super conflicted ako because of our political issues dito sa Philippines with China, diba? But I'd like to think na appreciating the beauty and history of a certain country doesn't mean we're forgetting, you know, our stance. Like we can still appreciate the beauty, the history of China while remaining firm in our stance about protecting the sovereignty of the Philippines. Yung pag-visit sa China, for me, it's not a form of betrayal, it's an education. Because we're able to see the world. We are able to see the world better. Nabubuksan yung mga mata natin. And nung nandun ako, being there on ground, I was able to see, to know the heart of the country, which is its people. Mababait yung mga locals na lalo na yung mga handang tumulong talaga sa atin. You know, from the hotel staff na kahit hindi marunong mag-English, talagang super effortful just to give their best service. Yung mga street vendors, nakangiti at talagang mag-exert din ng effort na ma-make sure na naintindihan natin sila. The random locals, you know, na kasi may times na nagpapapicture ako and they were willing to help take me photos and make sure that I had the best shots, nice shots. And then yung mga tour guides natin who were so passionate in sharing about their history, kasi napakayaman ng kasaysayan at ng kultura ng China. 'Di ba laging nasa history books? And I am so happy na we were able to experience that. We were able to learn. Again, like visiting China, it's an education to me. Mas nakilala natin yung mundo. Mas nakilala natin ang kasaysayan. We can travel the world, see the world, and at the same time, never forget what is rightfully ours. Yun lang for our realizations. And I'm glad I took on the trip. Kayo guys, nasa bucket list nyo rin ba yung China? Comment down below.